Hi, this is Alan Moore at the VIP interview, and I'm in Las Vegas, lucky Las Vegas, I hope. And I am talking to CK Rao from T-Mobile, and I'm going to be talking to him about how he's been working with TIBCO. So, CK, welcome. Before we go into anything else, can you just tell me a little bit about your own background?
Hi, my name is CK Rao. I work for T-Mobile as a manager software development. I'm basically from India, so I completed my studies in India. I worked in India for a long time, and in 2000s and 1999, there were a lot of opportunities in USA. So I worked with one of the company, and then I came to USA. And I worked in different areas within America. And then I joined T-Mobile about 7 years ago, I really like the telecom industry.
I know T-Mobile is a worldwide company, but how are you doing in the USA?
So we are a fourth player in the market. First one is Verizon, AT&T, Sprint, and then T-Mobile. But as a company, this company is built on values, so we provide the very comparable price plans for the customers. So even the employees, we have lots of values where employees are committed to work for T-Mobile. So it's a different culture than other companies. But our leadership has a vision to move to third place in next year.
We're talking together today at the TUCON 2012 conference, and this is organized by TIBCO, and I just wondered how they've been helping T-Mobile.
Yeah, TIBCO is our main middleware platform at T-Mobile USA. Basically, TIBCO has a lot of value. They have BusinessWorks engine, which helped us in doing a lot of orchestration, talking to the various backend systems. And TIBCO came up with built-in adapters to talk to various backend systems. So they have a Texture adapter to talk to the billing system. They have an SAP adapter to talk to the SAP system for order management. And they have a Siebel adapter to talk to the Siebel for the employee data management, and so on. So the integration part became very easy because of TIBCO. And at T-Mobile, our team, middleware team, which is called Enterprise Services Platform team, we provide reusable web services based on TIBCO platform.
CK, these are all benefits to your company, but how is it going to help the consumer?
So basically, if you want to write a service in any other platform, it takes, let's say it takes X number of days. But with TIBCO, it takes much less than X number of days, because time to market is very important for the for telecommunications industry. Let's say we have lots of promotions like Father's Day promotion and Christmas sales and so on. Whenever there is a promotion like that, if we need to create web services for our consumers like web, IVR, mobile phones, they expect a rapid turnaround. So TIBCO helped us in providing the services fast. And then also performance-wise, our SLAs are mostly 1 second per service. So that TIBCO helped in achieving those kind of SLAs on the response times.
CK, thanks for talking to AdAsia.
Thank you. Thank you very much.